everybody, Matt Moriarty from Moriarty Agency of Farmers Insurance and Financial Services, and this is another Moriarty Agency Minute. So one of the questions that I typically get asked about is life insurance, and specifically how much life insurance should you have? Well, the answer to that question, first and foremost, is if you have a policy in place, that's a good start. For sure. I don't care if it's through work or if you have a small policy, that's a good start, right? But let's say you do have only a policy through your work, and let's say it's $250,000, but you make $100,000, right? Your family is only going to be able to survive on that income because you're gone. So that income's no longer coming in. They're only going to be able to survive for, at the most 2.5 years. And I say at the most because they also have to bury you, which is going to, cut into that as well. It can cost up to, $20,000 to bury someone. So what you really want to do is look at the entire financial picture, right? And what we do, and any financial professional or any insurance professional will do, is they'll look at the entire picture. And what they'll do is they'll look at your debts, right? So if you have a bunch of debt, you don't want that to follow your family because they're going to be paying that off as well. So do you want that paid off, right? The next is income. Income, how long do you want your income to last? So let's say you make $100,000, right? Do you want, if you have young kids, do you want that to go until they are, 18 years old to make sure that income is still there and that they're protected in that instance? Your mortgage, do you want to pay your house off, right? Do you want that, you don't want that burden on the spouse that's living and your kids to have to take over that burden. And the last one is education. Are you planning on sending paying for your kids' college education, right? So typically what that looks like is, and it's different for everyone, but typically what that looks like is over $1 million in most cases, right? And, you can get a term insurance policy for relatively cheap for, kind of what it protects. Whether it be for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, but you want to make sure that you at least know what that number is, because what we can do is we take all that information and populate exactly how much life insurance you should have, and recommended to have in the event something were to happen. So, and also there are living benefits to life insurance as well. One of the best things about term insurance is it's fully convertible into another product, whether it be, a whole life policy or a universal policy or anything along those lines. So, make sure that you're looking at the entire financial picture and not just getting, the standard, 100,000 or through work or 250,000. Make sure you at least talk to a professional and let us do, a thorough investigation into exactly how much life insurance it would take in the event, no one wakes up and, thinks that anything's ever going to happen to them, and people unfortunately die every day. So it's something you definitely want to look into. If I can be of any assistance, give me a call, 303-798-3081. Again, my name is Matt Moriarty. I'm with the Moriarty Agency at Farmers Insurance. I am local here in Centennial, Colorado, but I work all over Colorado, not quite the United States, but I work all over Colorado. So, if I can be of any assistance, give me a call. Again, my name is Matt Moriarty with the Moriarty Agency of Farmers Insurance, and this was another Moriarty Agency Minute. Thanks so much.